So questions 4 through 6 ask us to graph the radical function and then state the domain of the function in interval notation. So if I go to my y equals and type in square root, and the square root key is second x squared. So square root of x plus 2, and then let's do a zoom standard. And the graph will look something like this. It's starting here at -2 and going like that. So the domain, this is concerned with how far left does the function go and how far right does the function go. So we really don't care about up and down. So this function goes to -2 for the left, and then to the right it will keep going forever. So to infinity. So the -2, it actually reaches that, so you want to put a bracket. Infinity, you can never put a bracket because it can never reach it, so you have to put parentheses. For number 5, you're doing square root of x minus 2. Make sure that you press to the right to get out from underneath the radical. If you have an older calculator, make sure that you close the parentheses on the x. Okay, so then if you do zoom standard, it's going to look like this. So my domain is how far left does this function go. It goes to 0, it never gets past the axis there, and then it keeps going to the right to infinity. Okay, lastly, square root of 3x minus 15, and if we graph that, that starts over here. So my domain, this function goes as far left as 5 and as far right as infinity. It keeps going. So those will be our answers.